Hello everyone, welcome back to tutorial millennial channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove object in photo on Snapseed apps. Let's get started. First, open your Snapseed apps and then click a new click and add the photo. Click anywhere for add the photo. In here I wanna add maybe this one. Click on the photo and please waiting. In here I wanna remove this person and this person, so you just click on the tools at the bottom, click on the tools, this one, click on it, and in here you can see healing, this one. Click on healing and then zoom to the object like this, to the person, and remove the person like this with your finger like this. After this you zoom in, zoom out, and zoom in again to the person. Now remove the person like this. And okay, now zoom out again and finish. So that how to remove object in photo on Snapseed apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.